Once the laparoscope is inserted into the abdomen, the control unit will activate auto demist. If at any point during the procedure you need to pause the gas flow, simply press and hold the foot switch for 2 seconds. Gas flow is reactivated by pressing the foot switch again for 2 seconds without a wash, or it can also be activated by using the wash function with a single press. If a visual obstruction occurs during a procedure, it can be cleared from the lens with one tap of the foot switch to activate the wash function. If you need to replace the CO2 cylinder during your procedure, first close the gas supply. Untighten the CO2 hose to disconnect the empty cylinder. Reconnect the CO2 hose to the new CO2 cylinder before finally opening the gas supply. There is no need to remove the device from the patient or stop the procedure, as the system will continue without interruption when the new cylinder is connected. When the system has sufficient CO2 supply, you will see a green light on the supply pressure indicator. During your procedure, if you encounter the ECO2 message and an amber light on the supply pressure indicator, this indicates the system is awaiting a CO2 supply. If the LED display reads CO2, this means the CO2 supply is low. Check the gas supply to see if your canister needs changing. If the gas supply is adequate, check the pressure hose for any possible leakages.